Good morning. It's mighty early in Arizona right now, and we're going out to do a little dry washing. I've got the Keen 140S today, and I'm going to be using it. It's a good machine. It's a little bit smaller than the other one, a little bit easier for one guy to manage. But here's the beauty. Look at this. That's what I'm greeted with this morning before I go hunt. Yes. And I sure enjoy dry washing every now and then. So that's what we're going to do today. And it's just one of those other ways that everybody can get gold. Yeah. And even on a lot of these club claims everybody thinks are beat to death, this shows some pretty good gold if you want to dry wash. Yeah, I know I metal detect most of the time, and that's what I prefer to do actually. But thing is, metal detect is like looking for a needle in a haystack. When you're dry washing, I guess it's a little bit easier to find color. Maybe not as much big color, but you find a lot of color. We're going to see how we can do today. Well, here's my setup. We're working right here. And basically what I'm working in here, guys, is old tailings piles from the old timers. Hear the cow? Open range. But anyway, you can see where the old timers have worked in here. And we discovered a little while back these guys were kind of messy in that they didn't catch a lot of the gold they ran through their dry washers. And I'm just kind of running their tailings, and I don't know, we're getting about a gram a day sometimes a little more. You can't beat that. And I enjoy just being out here shoveling. So I know a lot of people think we're nuts for doing this, but you know, it's a good way to get some exercise and get away from the rat race and get away from the television and all that stuff. So I'm going to keep digging here, and hopefully I'll show you some gold later today. And if you haven't ever dry washed before, it's probably worth giving it a try. And I don't know, a lot of people still get a lot of gold dry washing. I'm telling you. Well, here she is running. Sorry about the noise, but it's noisy. Good idea to wear some earplugs. This is where the thicker, the bigger rocks come off. So when you see these piles in the desert, you know you got a dry wash pile, and the material goes over these ripples and out, and that's the fine pile. And that's where the gold gets caught in those ripples. These are the top three. Gets the most gold, but it's making a lot of racket, so I'm going to shut the camera down real quick. Well, I had company show up. Rick showed up to help me dig today. Woohoo! He just wants half my gold. But anyway, there's quite a bit of dirt right here. The no-see-ums are horrible out here, man. They're tearing me up. My ears are all bit up. But anyway, still at it. Liking this 140. Just trying to get used to it. Having to do a little of this and a little of that to get it to run the way I want, but that's okay. And hopefully it'll show you some gold later. Well, after a little adjustment and stuff, we got her running like a top now. Yeah. Dusty, dirty work. Say cheese. Yeah, she's running real nice. Noisy, but nice. And that's how a dry washer works, folks, if you don't know. Dirt goes in this end, comes out that end, and hopefully the gold stays in there. You can see how that stuff's just flowing right over with it. Yep. Okie dokie. Back in a bit. Well, we actually have a little bit of a breeze that came up. And we've moved quite a bit of dirt. I don't know. Quite a bit. And running nicely. Well, it's plugged up right now, but it was running nicely. I think it's empty. Oh, plugged up. So we got a lot of organic material here, so we're having to unplug it quite often. Because if we have the hole open any farther, the dirt runs through quick. Because it's so dry out here, it's unbelievable. But anyway, the gizmo's working great. I like the 140S. so far. We'll see if we caught any gold here in a bit. It's starting to get warm out here. So, but we're also getting a real nice breeze blowing. That makes all the difference in the world. Look at the size of that cholla behind Rick. Put things over his head. Yeah, nice area. Very cool. There's Rick Picasso. But anyway, we're gonna keep at it for a little bit. Alrighty, here we go. We're gonna pan out our goodies. We took it all down to just one run's worth of dirt. So here we go. Ah, oh, I think there's gold in it. We're just gonna pan today. I'm too lazy to set up the poop tube. Yeah, I'm too lazy. Big old pan. What do you think, Bruno? You think there's gold in here, boy? Bruno, look at all the gold in the backwash.
Look at that. Nice.
I don't know if you guys can see this, but all them little flecks are gold in the backwash already before I've even panned any of it, hardly.
Nice.
Yeah.
That's all where I was digging.
And we always rerun the dirt out of the panning tub because I'm in a kind of a hurry right now, so might lose a little, not much.
What are you in a hurry for, Bill?
I don't know. Good question. Ooh, lots of finds in the backwash. Now this was done with a Keen 140S. Last season when you saw us doing this, it was with the 151S Keen. And the 140 is a little smaller. Still kept us plenty busy though.
Still catching fine gold.
Yeah, still catching fine gold by the look of it. And we might miss a little of that fine gold here, but we'll run all this through the poop tube eventually. We do know there's gold in here though, and I don't know how much we ran. There's 40, I think 40 5-gallon buckets in a yard.
Is there?
I think so.
I didn't know what it was.
So we ran about half that, I'm guessing.
At least.
At least. Something big and yellow in there, but
I saw something.
Yeah, I think it's one of those lead oxide.
Don't say that.
Some nice big chunks of black sand in there. And like I said, we're basically just running somebody else's tailings. Old timer. Ooh, there is something good sized in there.
See?
Yeah, I'm not sure that was a yellow rock. That might be gold. Get some net panning so you can see what I'm doing, huh? Oh, look at all that black sand in there.
Yeah.
Okay, I got a couple big rocks in here. Try and turn it the other way so I can pull this nugget out of here without him seeing me. Nice colors on those. Pretty rocks. Okay, that's a rock.
Yeah, it's a rock.
That one looks nice and yellow, but that's a rock. Might go back tomorrow. So, okay, I guess I could pull it back and see. No gold. Just kidding. Actually, there's quite a bit of gold. A lot of fine gold. Look at there.
Look at that.
That's just the initial look. I got a ways to go panning, but can you see it there? All in the top edge there. That's all gold. Yep. I'm gonna pan it out a little more here. Dry washing can be fun, my friends. Oh. That sparkles a little better.
Look at that.
Yeah,
Nice.
look at there, folks.
Nice.
Nice smile of gold in the pan for our efforts, which weren't too much today. Oops, oops. Not too shabby.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Keen 140 works just fine.
Just fine. Oh, be careful panning the rest of that. That's awful small. Okay, have another look. Ooh. There it is.
Awesome. Nice.
If it ran all day, you could get quite a bit of gold out of there. And we got a couple little pieces of lead, several of them. A little lead BB. There's that real bright orange one we saw. But yeah, that's good. Not bad. So, if you like these videos, you like watching us bust our buns for a little bit of gold, like, subscribe, and ring the bell. For now, it's Rick and Nugget Shooter out.